Hi, this is Milo from needlepointers.com, and today I wanted to show you this quick and easy upcycle I did on these thrifted t-shirts. I found this button-up t-shirt at a thrift store. It already had these little sailboat designs on the pockets, but I thought it would be much cuter if I added some more machine embroidery to spruce it up a little bit. I found these designs on Designs by Juju, and I chose designs that were nautical in theme and also worked with the same line art style that the original embroidery did. For this one, I used cutaway stabilizer, and I hooped the fabric itself, as it was in the middle of the shirt, and I had enough fabric to hoop the entire thing. I also found this design on Designs by Juju, and I hooped and stitched it the same way. I also found this shirt at a thrift store. There are plenty of these plain t-shirts at the thrift store, and I've been looking at this design, which is a preset on my machine, for a while, and I wanted to put it on some, so I thought this shirt would be the perfect fit. For this one, since it's a stretchy knit fabric, I put a sticky back stabilizer over the spot where I wanted to put the design, and then I floated it over a cutaway stabilizer. This is a fun holiday upcycle you can do for any event you may be going to. I found this shirt at a thrift store again, and this design was a preset on my machine. There are plenty of presets on the Luminaire and our previous model that are in this long and skinny shape that would be perfect for putting on the neckline. If you have access to an embroidery machine, this is a fun, easy, and quick upcycle for any thrifted t-shirts you find. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Like and share our videos, and if you are not a subscriber, subscribe to our channel so you won't miss future videos. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of other tutorials and free projects. While you are there, sign up for our free weekly newsletter so you won't miss new tutorials. Happy crafting!